If you're constantly throwing away food, buying freezer bags, or just trying to keep leftovers fresher longer, this might be one of the coolest kitchen gadgets I've seen in a long time. I have to show you everything inside this kit. You have 3 sizes of reusable bags, mason jar attachments, and you have the cordless rechargeable vacuum sealer, and it was provided to me so I could try it out and show it to you, and I was honestly not expecting to love it this much. What immediately stood out to me is how much you get in this kit. You get 30 reusable bags and they're different sizes. You have attachments for both regular and wide mouth mason jars. You have your sealing discs, and of course you have the rechargeable vacuum sealer, and I am obsessed. I've used many vacuum sealers before, but they're usually bulky and take up a ton of counter space, and this one is compact, it's cordless, and it's incredibly easy to use. You just place this over the valve, you push the button, and it removes air in seconds. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you on some cereal. All right, I have my bag of cereal, got my vacuum sealer. You're gonna just attach it right here, and then you're going to push the button, and it's gonna immediately start sucking out the air, as you can see. And voila, this makes my cereal last way longer. I also love that it's not just for leftovers. You can use it for meal prep, marinating meats, freezer storage, pantry organization, or even sous vide cooking. I wanna show you really quick the sizes of the bags, and here's the largest one right here. They feel durable and the seals are strong, and I can definitely see myself reaching for this regularly. And if you're someone who likes meal prepping or wants food to stay fresh longer, this is such a game changer. You have to check this out and let me know what you think.